Hi, I'm Erica and today I want to show you what to do with your leftover paper maché pulp. A cute little bowl, for instance, it's quite easy to make if you follow these steps. Please follow along and subscribe to my channel. At the end of this video, I'm sharing my own paper maché pulp recipe that you can use for this project. You can use a round shape like me, or just any other object you find around the house. When you get to this point, let it dry for at least 24 hours. Then remove and let the other side dry as well for 24 hours, and then it's ready for painting. Isn't this the easiest project ever? To finish my bowl, I use acrylic paint. And painting is sometimes a challenging but fun stage, and I let my imagination take me wherever it wants to. I never have a plan, I just let it happen.